Hello students. Today we are going to study about Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj. Before that, I would like to give short information on Shivaji Maharaj. 19th February is the most important day for the people of Maharashtra. This day we celebrate as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti with great pomp and respect. On this day we sing songs and paudas. Here paudas means poetry which were said during the 17th century in his honor. We garland his picture and say Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. But who was this Shivaji? And why do we celebrate his birthday every year? Do you know that? Let us see. Maharashtra before Shivaji. Shivaji Maharaj lived in the medieval period. Shivaji Maharaj lived in the medieval period. In those days, monarchy or the rule of the kings were everywhere. Many of the kings, they were only satisfying or fulfilling their own pleasures and enjoyments instead of the welfare of their subjects. Here the word subject means the people. Many kings, they were only thinking of their own. They were not taking care of their subjects. But even in those days, there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. And these kings were the Mughal Emperor Akbar from the north and the Emperor Krishnadev Raya of Vijayanagar from the south. They were the famous in history for their benevolent rule, for the kind, for the helpful rule to their people, to their subject. Same way or likewise, Shivaji Maharaj also commands the great respect even today. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. What is Swaraj? Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. Now let us see what happened in Maharashtra before Shivaji. That is for about 400 years ago. 400 years ago, Shivaji Maharaj, before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free at all. A large portion of it was under the rule of sultans. Who were these sultans? Sultan Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. They were not liberal in their outlook. They were not willing to respect the people. They oppressed the people. There were injustice. They do injustice with the people over whom they ruled. They abused them. They were also sworn enemies of each other. These Nizam Shah and Adil Shah, they were also the enemies of each other. They constantly fight against each other. With the result, people has to suffer a lot. Because of these two sultans, the Maharashtra people has to suffer and they were harassed by them. The people could not get enough food to eat, nor could they celebrate their festivals, nor could they worship their gods openly and freely. They were not supposed to go to the temple. They were not sure of safety even in their own homes. There was injustice everywhere. Just take a quick recap. Chapter 1, Maharashtra before Shivaji. Shivaji Maharaj lived in medieval period. Now what is this medieval? Indian history is divided into three parts: ancient, medieval and modern. Medieval history is from 6th century to 18th century AD or Common Era, that is Middle Ages. Famous kings in history for their benevolent rule. that is for their kind and helpful rule to their subject, was Mughal Emperor Akbar from the north and the Emperor Krishnadev Raya of Vijayanagar from the south. They were very helpful and kind to their people, to their subject. In history, the word subject means people. In history, the word subject means people. The two sultans who ruled in Maharashtra before Shivaji, the two sultans who ruled in Maharashtra before Shivaji was the Sultan Nizam Shah. Sultan Nizam Shah from Ahmednagar. Sultan Nizam Shah from Ahmednagar and Sultan Adil Shah from Bijapur. These two sultans ruled over Maharashtra before Shivaji. Sultan Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur. Watandars in Maharashtra assigned by sultans. Who has assigned the Watandars in sultans? Watandars in Maharashtra was assigned by sultans. Who was these Watandars? Deshmukhs and Deshpandes. These Watandars were Deshmukhs and Deshpandes. What this Deshmukhs and Deshpandes do? Deshmukhs and Deshpandes owned Jagirs. They are only interested, they love their Jagirs, their lands, but not their country. Then Shivaji Maharaj born at Shivneri Fort on 19th February. Shivaji Maharaj born at Shivneri Fort on 19th February. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. What is Swaraj? Swaraj means our own rule. Swaraj means our own rule. Self-government. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. Swa means our own and Raj means rule. That is Swaraj. Swa means our own. Raj means rule. Swaraj, our own rule. Shivaji Maharaj established Hindavi Swaraj in Maharashtra. Now what is this Hindavi Swaraj? Hindavi Swaraj is based on justice, fair play and equality. Justice. What is justice? A quality of being just, righteousness. This is called justice. Fair play. Fair play, respect for the rules. Respect for the rules. And equality means equal rights or equal opportunities to all the people of any caste or religions or community. So everyone should be treated equally. And Swaraj means our own government. Now let me ask a few questions or do a few revision. Who was the emperor of Vijayanagar? Who was the emperor of Vijayanagar? Krishnadev Raya. Emperor of Vijayanagar, Krishnadev Raya. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of which period? Medieval period. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of medieval period. Who was the Sultan of Ahmednagar? Who was the Sultan of Ahmednagar? Sultan Nizam Shah. Sultan of Ahmednagar, Sultan Nizam Shah. Who was the Sultan of Bijapur? Sultan Adil Shah. Sultan of Bijapur, Sultan Adil Shah. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Who were the Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who only owned Jagirs in Maharashtra? Who were they? Who were the Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who only owned Jagirs in Maharashtra? They were Watandars. These Deshmukhs and Deshpandes were the Watandars. In which region Mughal Emperor Akbar, looked after the welfare of their subject? He is from which region he looked after the welfare of their subject? From the north. Mughal Emperor Akbar from the north. Then Swaraj means what? Swaraj means self-government. Swaraj means self-government. Self-government means our own rule. Okay, next. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars, those who were assigned by sultans. These Watandars were like Deshmukhs and Deshpandis, and they were only interested to own their jagirs. They loved only their jagirs, their land, and not their country. The constant fighting among these brought great misery, great discomfort to the people. There was misrule everywhere. People were tired of the injustice and were very, very unhappy. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. He first brought to the book the Watandar who fought among themselves. He then used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. He fought against the power that abused the people and defeated them. He established Hindavi Swaraj. Hindavi Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj established Hindavi Swaraj. Hindavi Swaraj is based on justice, fair play, and equality. Justice, equality of being righteousness. Fair play to give respect, to follow the rules. Equality means equal rights and opportunities to all the people, whether of any caste, community or religions, whether it is Hindu or Muslim or any caste or community. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinctions between Hindu and Muslims. He honored the saints of all the religions. These noble deeds of Shivaji Maharaj gives us inspiration. During a period of about 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful effort of establishing Swaraj. That we shall see in the next chapter what these saints did. Okay children, a quick recap about today's lesson. Shivaji Maharaj lived in medieval period. Medieval, what is medieval? Medieval is an Indian history divided into three parts: ancient, medieval and modern history. It is from 6th century to 18th century AD or Common Era, the Middle Ages. Then we have studied about the Mughal Emperor Akbar, that is from the north, and Emperor Krishna Dev Raya of Vijayanagar from the south. Those who were the famous in history as a king, and these kings were always thinking about their subject and people. Then about Sultan Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, Sultan Adil Shah of 400 years before Shivaji, Maharashtra was under the rule of dash of Ahmednagar and dash of Bijapur. Who was ruling 400 years before Shivaji? Maharashtra was under the rule of Sultan Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur. Who were the sworn enemies? Who were the sworn enemies of each other? Sultan Nizam Shah and Adil Shah. Sultan Nizam Shah and Sultan Adil Shah were the sworn enemies of each other. Shivaji Maharaj established dash Swaraj, Hindavi Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj established dash Swaraj, Hindavi Swaraj. Who was the great man? Who was the great man? Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was the Great man. Thank you.